Page 40, the Dancing Shoe Blues. This piece uses the 12-bar blues progression. Actually, it's the first 3 lines that use it. You get 4 bars of the 1 chord, all the way across, the first 4 measures up. Then you get 2 bars of 4 chord, using an F sharp. Then you get 2 more bars of 1 chord again. Then you get 1 bar of 5 chord with a G sharp. 1 bar of 4 chord, got that F sharp again. And then 2 bars of 1 chord, 12 bars. The line at the bottom, that's the line where they're saying it's a dance section where people can dance. It's an instrumental thing. You can also use that as a improvising section where you just play this over and over and over and repeat however much you want and let everybody improvise and let the people dance and do whatever they want. Yeah. When we play it together, I'm only going to repeat it once, so we're going to play it twice, that last line, and then the DCL fine takes us back to the top, and the fine is the end of the 3rd line. Watch the accidentals. As in blues, there's lots of accidentals. I don't really feel I need to point them all out. Hopefully you can get these by now. It's got a few tricky little hand motion things, but work those out. I just don't know that I need to point everything out. Maybe I do. I don't know. Being lazy, though, I'd rather not. Now, as a blues piece, I'm going to swing the 8th notes. So, at the beginning, it's written this way. I'm going to swing them, long, short. Yeah, blues type thing. Okay. Other than that, I don't have a lot to say about this. You can do the dynamics. You can put in the words, sing the words if you want to sing the words. I ain't singing the words, but you can sing the words. Melody's the top note in the right hand. Try and bring that out if you can. In that last line down there in the dance section, they're showing that as pedaled. I don't know why. You don't need pedal. It's just fine without it. But because they're showing it's pedaled, I'll go ahead and pedal it. Or just pedal it just the way they've got it. Overlapping pedal except when you repeat. We want a little silence on the repeat. So when you finish that last measure, there on the last line, the repeated part, and you're going to repeat it, I'm going to lift the pedal with the left hand because it has the last note. And then I'll push it down again after I play the notes on the repeat. So there's a little bit of silence there, and that's it. So with that, let's just try this out really, really slowly and check notes and rhythms and that kind of thing. I'll give us 4 counts. Right hand, left hand. 1, 2, and ready and go, and. Rest. Top. Rest. at the bottom of the page, on page 40, they have the acoustic jamming. There's a duet part. I want to play that, and you can play this other part. But again, on the bottom line, I'm only going to repeat that once. So you play it twice, and that's it. So let's try this together. I'll speed it up just a little bit closer to what I think it might go. I'm going to give us 4 counts. Go ahead and put your hands where they go, just here. Start. And your foot's on the pedal if you're going to use pedal. You don't need to, but you can. And here we go. 1, 2, ready, and go. And